This is the Weleda Skinfood, German company Weleda Skinfood Light. I would not call this a light cream. This is a very concentrated, heavy cream. I don't tend to use it on my face. I tend to use it on eczema, dry patches on my elbows and on my lower legs. It's very thick, very nourishing. And I've bought, oh, this is a sticky side back here. I have bought multiple boxes of this stuff over the year. It's served me well. And if you do suffer from dry skin, this is one that probably will do you well. And Weleda is, of course, a very natural, very environmentally friendly company, like a lot of German companies are. It's a little bit on the pricey end, but I find that it's worth it for the quality. Oh, and if you want to know how this smells, well, it's kind of like a citrusy, oh, I put a bit too much on there, citrusy green, herbal, I put way too much on there. You do not need this much, you guys. A hit citrusy, herbal delight. It's very fresh, very lemony. There you go, lemon. That's what I'm smelling right now. Okay, I finished rubbing it in. I put it all over my arms and elbows, and the elbows for me is where it's at. Very nice stuff. I would put this mostly on my legs, to be honest, because they get the most dry. This is, I mentioned before, a bit too heavy for my face, though. It smells lovely, citrusy green, lemony. You can't go wrong with this stuff.